Hi everyone, it's Andrea here from WunderKeys, and I am here today to introduce you to another WunderKeys printable of the week. This week's free printable is a fun way to transition from Halloween to Christmas as we come out of October into November while reviewing harmonic intervals with your level 1A piano students. It's a card game called Festive Face Off, and it's really fun. We know your students will be asking to play this one over and over again this holiday season. To find it, you can subscribe for free access or head over to wonderkeys.com where you can click on Join WunderKeys today to become a subscriber for free, or you can enter your password and then just click Enter to head into the WunderKeys toolkit. Once you're in there, you'll want to click on Members Only Printables, and that will take you to our printables gallery. Well, you will see Festive Face Off there right now, but as we add more resources, you'll likely have to sort. So first sort by level, this is level 1, and then by topic, this is Christmas. So you want to click on that. You will see Festive Face Off there. Click on it to open up the image, and then click once more to download the PDF. Inside the PDF, you will see gameplay instructions, suggested matching resources, how to play, and then you will see a pack of game cards for player 1 and a pack of game cards for player 2. You want to make sure you print them double-sided so that the card game works properly. In terms of how to use it with your students, obviously you'll want to download it from the WunderKeys toolkit, print it double-sided, and then cut out the card packs for player 1 and player 2. We've included instructions for how to play. We promise it's really quick and easy to set up. We suggest you play along with your student in lessons as a great way to build relationships and to also just check in for understanding with those harmonic interval recognition. We always recommend you prompt as necessary to make this a really valuable learning experience. So if you notice that your piano student is hesitating or is a little bit unsure, you can offer some helpful hints as you play the game together. You can match this resource with the perfect book. We have just released another Christmas resource to the very useful piano library. It's called Jolly Old St. Nicholas Needs a Brand New Sleigh, and it's for your level 1A piano students, students who are reading in C position and treble C position. Inside, you will find 7 reimagined and carefully leveled Christmas carols, note reading games, interval recognition games, a teacher-student duet, technical exercises, and more, all wrapped up with a really fun Christmas story that kids love. So use this with students working near the end of WunderKeys Level 1A. And if you have students working at other levels, we have lots of Christmas fun for them as well, something for everyone from pre-reading through mid and late primer. All of these books contain familiar Christmas carols with a twist that means they are appropriately leveled so your students can continue their progress during the holiday season without you feeling as though you need to pause or pre-teach concepts that they're not quite ready for. These books are perfect for also providing recital variety if you are fighting the Jingle Bells requests. These offer some great alternatives for your younger students, and they all include teacher-student duets, which are also really fun for recitals. While you're in the WunderKeys toolkit, we have a ton of Christmas printables. Here are just 3 that we're highlighting today. The first matches our newest book release, and they are piano practice punch cards that you can use to keep piano practice happening during the months of November and December. The middle one is a note reading practice tracker, so we've combined practice tracking with note reading skills. And the final one is another thing you can use for the transition from Halloween to Christmas. It's a cute little primer solo called Goodbye Halloween that kids love. You can have that for them ready for November 1st to surprise them right after their Halloween fun is over. You'll find these printables plus over 400 more in the WunderKeys toolkit. Head on over to wonderkeys.com where you can subscribe for free access and enjoy.